Hey everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2010 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. See, this has got the bow cushion up here. They actually do lift up and have a pedestal behind them so you can make them reclining. Hard top, black hull. See, as we come to the back of the boat here, this one does have the transom seat. As we walk through the transom here, see this nice large L-shaped seating area. A lot of seating in here, a lot of entertaining seating. So this seat spins around, and as does the captain and co-captain seat. Over the starboard side, we have the wet bar and the TV mount, and the TV for that is down the cabin right now. Up here at the helm, you can see it's going to be DTS. These are the 380 horsepower Merc V-Drive, freshwater V-Drive boat, 455 hours, and a bow thruster. Coming down into the cabin here, you can see our galley to port. Nice size galley there, head. You got your forward berth here, and those are all the enclosures that go with this as well. There's a cockpit cover as well. If you don't want to hang all the enclosures, you can just cover with the cockpit cover. Here's your salon sofa, and your mid cabin down here with the filler cushion for the cockpit. So anyway, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, thank you for taking the time to go through this 2010 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. Call today to schedule an appointment or stop by to take a look.